Hello! Today we would like to show how you can enable, use and basically manage the keyboard clipboard on Android 13. So first of all, you need to launch the keyboard somehow. Next, in here at the top part that contains various icons, you want to tap on these three horizontal dots. Once at the available keyboard options, go for the clipboard. At the clipboard page, turn on this toggle in order for it to be activated. Next, if you would like to remove any elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on a trash bin. If you would like, on the other hand, for something to be added to your keyboard clipboard, just copy something, basically a word, character, any text unit in general. And once you do that, you can get back to the clipboard. And as you can see, the thing that we have just copied has been successfully added as its most recent element. And from here, if you would like for something to be pasted, on the other hand, simply tap on an element that you would like to use and it will be successfully pasted into, any given typing bar that you have to launch the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.